Hello everyone. So as I promised, we will be covering the anthropological theories. So in the anthropological theories, first theory we will be covering is culture personality school. I think I have shared culture materialism and postmodernism earlier also. So now we will be covering the culture personality school. So we will go according to the structure. I hope you are there on the anthropology preparation with Yogesh Patil. I have shared the structures there regarding the answer writing. Okay, so how to do the answer writing, कैसे करनी चाहिए, इसके भी structures मैंने दिए हैं already. Okay, so you have to look for that. कल्चर पर्सनालिटी स्कूल, तो हम स्ट्रक्चर यही फॉलो करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी इंट्रोड्यूस, हम इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या, नाउ वी एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द व्हाट इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कल्चर पर्सनालिटी स्कूल. सो दिस इज द कल्चर पर्सनालिटी स्कूल इज स्टार्टेड बाय द अमेरिकन एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट. Okay, so they have started this school and they have explained what is the impact of culture on personality. So where these thinkers, they have analyzed the impact of culture on personality. Impact of culture on personality. So basic premises, what are the basic premises of this theory? In the basic premises, these thinkers, they have discussed various principles. They have said that the personality of any person, जो भी personality होती है वो कैसे फॉर्म होती है. ओके, हम जब बोलते हैं that personality is formed by this culture, so how this personality is formed? So there should be something which is special in this culture. So एक कल्चर में स्पेशल क्या होता है, तो उसके कल्चरल ट्रेट्स होते हैं. देन देयर आर चाइल्ड रियरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस. ओके, जो हमें बचपन से जो एनकल्चरेशन होता है, ओके, जो एनकल्चरेशन होता है, the child rearing practices, this enculturation, these things form the personality. So these five different anthropologists, they have analyzed how this personality is related to this culture. Okay, they have studied different societies, and on the basis of that they have given these theories. So the basic premises are that this personality of individual is formed on the basis of culture. So culture, that is child rearing practices, enculturation, then some basic traits of that culture. Some culture, like let's say the personality of Indian, जो इंडियन की पर्सनालिटी है वो कैसे फॉर्म होती है, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर. नाउ इंडियन कल्चर रिस्पेक्ट्स डाइवर्सिटी. इंडियन कल्चर रिस्पेक्ट्स like vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Indian culture respects all these things which are philosophical things of India, and on the basis of that personality of Indian citizen, Indian individual is formed. So we will start with Margaret Mead. Margaret Mead is again American anthropologist. So she has studied the Samoan society. So she has written one book, Coming of Age in Samoa. So in Coming of Age in Samoa, she has compared the Samoan society and American society. Okay, so here she has discussed that how the adolescent personality of any adolescent person is formed. In Samoa and America. In America, this adolescent person, they are very stressed. Okay, in Samoa they don't have taboo about the sexual relation, they don't have taboo about menarche. Okay, in all those things, and because of that the personality is formed. They are very liberal, they are very open about their sexual preferences, they are very open about their sexuality. So the स्ट्रेस जो है ये सामोन सोसाइटी में कम है. Okay, and reverse is the case with America. So how is this related? So the stress, that is the personality factor. ये जो personality factor है ये कल्चर से डिसाइड हुआ है. ओके, जो कल्चर था अमेरिकन लोगों का या सामोन लोगों का, उससे फॉर्म हुआ है. Then coming to her second study, that is sex and temperament in these three societies, that is Mundugumot, Arapes and Chambuli. Now this Mundugumor people, they are fierce initiator, they are aggressive people. Okay, they are aggressive people. This Arapesh people, they are Arapesh people, they are very cooperative, and gentle people. Okay, this Arapesh. And this in Chambuli, the role of the male is performed by the female, that is she goes out and she does the economic activity, and role of the female is performed by the male in the simple society. So these थ्री सोसाइटी, ये जो तीनों सोसाइटी है, ये तीन सोसाइटी एक ही एरिया में रह चुके हैं, तो एक ही एरिया में है, सो उनका कल्चर डिफरेंट क्यों है? डिस्पाइट ज्योग्राफिकल पर्सनालिटी, ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया में होके भी इनका एक पर्सनालिटी डिफरेंट क्यों है? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर कल्चर. तो ये मार्गारेट मीड का कंट्रीब्यूशन है. हाँ, बाकी भी देखेंगे कि टोटल ओवरऑल सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है. ओके, कमिंग टू द रूथ बेनेडिक्ट. रूथ बेनेडिक्ट का अगर देखा जाए, रूथ बेनेडिक्ट इज नोन अबाउट द कल्चर पैटर्न. हर बुक इज नोन एज पैटर्न्स ऑफ कल्चर. हर बुक इज नोन एज पैटर्न्स ऑफ कल्चर. तो पैटर्न्स ऑफ कल्चर में रूथ बेनेडिक्ट हैज सेड दैट देयर आर कल्चरल ट्रेट्स. ओके, cultural traits, then culture complex is there, then pattern is formed. Okay, so cultural traits, then complex and pattern. So she has given us concept that is cultural configuration. Cultural configuration. In that she has explained that in cultural configuration, Ruth Benedict has said that उन्होंने कहा है कि ये जो कल्चर पैटर्न होगा, कल्चर पैटर्न से कल्चर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा, एंड ये जो कल्चर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा उससे पर्सनालिटी फॉर्म होगी, उससे जो है पर्सनालिटी फॉर्म होगी ऑफ दैट इंडिविजुअल. वो जो इंडिविजुअल वो सोसाइटी का पार्ट होगा तो उसकी पर्सनालिटी वैसे फॉर्म होगी. सो टू एक्सप्लेन दैट शी हैज स्टडीड द थ्री सोसाइटीज, Zuni, then Pakiutal, and then Degons. Okay, Zuni, Pakiutal, and then Degons. In Zuni society they have Apollonian personality, that is personality like Apollo is the name of god, right? Okay, so they have Apollonian personality. तो Apollonian personality में they are very cooperative, and जो भी leadership के काम होते हैं, one person doesn't play it, this is decided by society, or there is some medicine man for some purpose. अगर for if there is any death, ज़्यादा mourning भी नहीं होते, so they are very gentle, calm, cool people. Okay, लेकिन take the example of Pakiutal, you know, they live in the west coast of North America. Pakiutal की जो personality है, they are Dionysian. तो they are fierce, again initiator है. यहाँ पे you know the potlatch, आपको potlatch पता है, the destruction of the wealth. Okay, destruction of the wealth होता है. Okay, all these things in the Pakiutal, Dionysian जो personality, and they are mostly paranoid people. So again here personality of these people, ये जो तीन सोसाइटी के जो पीपल है उनकी पर्सनैलिटी जो है, ये जूनी कल्चर, पाकिउतल और डेगोन्स, ये जो है एक उनके कल्चर से फॉर्म हुई है. ओके, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू अब्राहम कार्डिनल इज नोन फॉर द बेसिक पर्सनैलिटी. So he has written the book The Individual and His Society, with the Ralph Linton. Okay, Ralph Linton and Abraham Cardinal, they collaborated their work. Okay, so the Individual and His Society in this book, the Cardinal has explained about basic personality type. So उन्होंने कहा है, कार्डिनल हैज सेड दैट कि जो चाइल्ड रियरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस होते हैं, जैसे अभी हमारे यहाँ पे भी जो चाइल्ड रियरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस होंगे, ओके, अभी यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन करने जैसा तो यहाँ पे वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग. ओके, सो लेकिन जो चाइल्ड रियरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस होंगे तो उससे जो पर्सनालिटी फॉर्म होती है, बिकॉज सी एक कल्चर में लेट्स से नाउ like those kids who born in 1990s, they know about Parle Ji, they know about Shaktiman, they know about रामायण महाभारत, ये जो सीरियल्स हमारे यहाँ पे आती थी, तो हमारा चाइल्ड रियरिंग वैसे ही हुआ है. तो हम पे जो वैल्यूज है, the common values which we share, the person who were born in 1990s, okay, तो वो उन सबको पता है. okay, so because of that जो हमारा पर्सनैलिटी, जो कॉमन पर्सनैलिटी फॉर्म होगा तो हमारे जो चाइल्ड रियरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस है उससे होगा। ओके, तो पर्सनैलिटी फॉर्म होने के लिए देयर आर टू थिंग्स, वन इज योर प्राइमरी इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड सेकंड इज योर सेकेंडरी इंस्टीट्यूशंस। ये जो प्राइमरी इंस्टीट्यूशंस है इसमें पर्सनैलिटी आपकी फॉर्म होगी। इन द प्राइमरी इंस्टीट्यूशन योर पर्सनैलिटी गेट फॉर्म्ड, आपका पर्सनैलिटी फॉर्म होगा इन द प्राइमरी इंस्टीट्यूशंस। ओके, तो लाइक फैमिली, किनशिप, मैरिज, ओके, यहाँ पे आपका पर्सनैलिटी फॉर्म होगा। इन सेकेंडरी इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो होंगे यहाँ पे आपका पर्सनैलिटी मॉडिफाई होगा। whatever personality you have, the personality gets modified in the secondary institutions. Okay, so this is the contribution of Cardinal. Moving forward to the contribution of Ralph Linton. Ralph Linton का क्या contribution है? Okay, तो Ralph Linton again, if you know, he has given the concept of his name of the book is I think Man and His Society. Man and His Society, the name of the book, and he has given the concept of status and role also. He has given the concept of status and role also, which is there in the 2.2. Okay, now जब राल्फ लिंटन कल्चर की बात करते हैं, he divides the culture in overt and covert. Okay, his concept is cultural background of personality. Cultural background of personality, ये राल्फ लिंटन का concept है, cultural background of personality. So how does Ralph Linton explains any personality is based on the overt and covert culture. So this overt culture is again divided into two things, behavior and material culture. Now material culture, you know, tools, materials which that culture possesses. Okay, ये overt हुआ, and the covert is culture core, that is values, ideas. Okay, तो एक पर्सन का जो पर्सनालिटी है ये both the things, overt culture as well as covert culture influences it. Okay, ये दोनों चीजें इससे influence होगी, overt और overt इससे influence होगी। And he thinks, Ralph Linton thinks this culture operates at two levels. ये जो culture का operation होता है it operates at two levels. एक जो होता है सेंट्रल लेवल जहां पे आपके डीप थॉट्स, वैल्यूज, आइडियाज व्हिच यू पोजेसेस, ओके, ये आपका सेंट्रल कल्चर होता है। ओके, सो ही टॉक्स अबाउट टू पर्सनालिटीज, वन इज योर सेंट्रल पर्सनालिटी, दिस इज योर सेंट्रल पर्सनालिटी, ओके, और दूसरा है सुपरफिशियल, दिस इज योर सुपरफिशियल पर्सनालिटी, ये आपका सुपरफिशियल पर्सनालिटी है। तो ही टॉक्स अबाउट द पर्सनालिटी एट टू लेवल्स। देन कमिंग टू द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कोरा डुबोइस, coming to the contribution of Cora Dubois. Okay, the you know the fieldwork of the Cora Dubois, that is Allure, and she has written the book The People of Allure. The People of Allure. The People of Allure. Okay, so what methodology she has applied? Cora Dubois उन्होंने क्या किया है? What is she studied this Allure people. Okay, she went there, she collected the material from their dream studies, their child rearing practices. Okay, she has applied various projective tests. Okay, so various tests she has applied and she has compiled all the material. Okay, तो ये मटेरियल जब कंपाइल किया गया, आफ्टर compilation of this material, then what she did, she has given this material, जो भी material उन्होंने compile किया, she has given this material to one, to Abraham Gardiner, then to Trude Schmidt, and then Oberholzer, Emile Oberholzer. She has given this material to all the three people. Now these three people, they have studied this Allore's people. Allore's people का culture उन्होंने study किया. Okay, after studying the Allore's culture, ये तीन लोगों ने जब Allore's culture study किया, उनको पता चला कि these Allore's people, their personality is very shallow personality, they are very fearful. Okay, जो उनके personality traits है this Allore's people के, these three found similar. So this result of study of these three came similar. So they named this personality as model personality. Model personality. So what is model personality? It is the personality, ये जो पर्सनैलिटी है which is frequently found in that society. ये जो पर्सनैलिटी है ये वो सोसाइटी में फ्रिक्वेंटली आपको देखने को मिलती है. दैट इज योर मॉडल पर्सनैलिटी. सो कोरा डुबोइस has studied that. So what is the significance of कोरा डुबोइस study? कोरा डुबोइस का जो approach है, that is model personality. Oscar Lewis has used this approach to study the prisoners in Mexico. Also Alfred Kroeber is there. Then many anthropologists, they have used this technology. Used this methodology, model personality methodology, to study the martial races in India. That is Rajput. Okay. अभी तो हम वो कहते नहीं हैं. Okay, Rajput वगैरह. So this is how we have studied this culture personality school. हमने culture personality school study किया है. Okay. तो then what is the significance of it? तो significance ये होगा इसका कि हमने ये जो भी स्टडी किया है, one concept you prominently know is national character study. Again, this was a question in 2018 anthropology means. तो national character study क्या है? National character study is the application of this. What is national character? In national character, this culture personality school, they say that the common traits possessed by individuals in any nation, they are formed on the basis of child rearing practices again. So let's say सारे इंडिया के जो भी बच्चे हैं, हम उनको मिड डे मील देते हैं. सारे इंडिया के बच्चों को हम अभी आर्टिकल 21 के अंदर पढ़ाते हैं. तो ये सब जब हम करते हैं, लेट्स से हम उनको सेम शिक्षा देते हैं, सेम खाना देते हैं, सेम चाइल्ड रेयरिंग प्रैक्टिसेस अगर करते हैं, देन देयर पर्सनालिटी विल बी सेम, राइट? बिकॉज वी आर फॉर्मुलेटिंग देयर पर्सनालिटी, राइट? तो अगर ऐसे होगा, देन दे विल हैव सेम पर्सनालिटी. दैट इज नेशनल कैरेक्टर. ओके, इसमें एक एग्जांपल है, दैट इज स्टडीड बाय जॉफ्री गोरेर स्टडीड दैट द जापानीज टॉयलेट प्रैक्टिसेस. These Japanese people during World War II, what they used to do, they used to train their children very hard. Like toilet practices, you study this case study and you will get to know. Then swaddling of Russian children, swaddling of Russian children. Again, this is studied by Geoffrey Gorer, okay, and Margaret Mead. Swaddling में क्या करते हैं, जब छोटा बच्चा होता है, then वो small babies at the time, they wrap their babies in the cloth, and उससे क्या होता है, rage create होता है बच्चे में, and when they leave it, तो बच्चा अच्छा महसूस करता है. So because of that, this personality is used in the wars. Okay, so this is how national character हम इंडिया में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं to study the culture of Naxalites, right? To study the culture of Naxalites. Okay, तो हम ये use कर सकते हैं. Then we can know the personality of our enemies, okay, also our friends, by their child rearing practices, by their culture. Okay, so this is how we have studied the culture personality school, and rest of the theories also we will be covering in this our anthropology series. Thank you.